Hey, sorry for the personal message. I got your number off the school website.
Who am I speaking with?
It's Adam from your third block.
Hello, Adam. What can I do for you?
I really need to get an A in this class or my mom is gonna kick me out.
Adam, you're at a 3%. There's 1 month left till summer break. I don't see that happening.
Please, I'll do anything. Is there anything I can do?
Well, there is one thing.
What is it?
I need you to kill somebody.
What? Are you serious?
Yes. You know Alexa from your class?
Yes, I know her.
Well, kid, I need to break off our relationship, but if I end things, she will tell the administration.
You're sleeping with a student? What?
Sometimes adults make mistakes, and besides, I have a new woman who's caught my eye.
Okay, I'll do it, but one question.
Yes, what is it?
Who's the woman?
Honestly, kid, it's your mother.
Fuck you!